What I'm gonna miss most about Kayla is her company. We've gotten so close over the last 2 years, and she's become one of my closest friends, actually my best friend. She's super funny. You know, if you're in a bad mood, she's gonna say a few jokes and get you happy again.
Kayla's my best friend here, and I'm just gonna miss her goofiness and her support, and just like all the weird stuff we do and talk about. That's what I'm going to miss the most.
I love her. She's great. I can tell her anything. We trust each other. We have so much fun. I'm going to miss her humor so much. She's hilarious, and she's not even trying to be funny, but she just is. I'm also going to miss just her jump shots on the court. I just love it. And her swaggy little and one dribble move. So I'm just going to miss everything about her.
She's been fun to coach. When we first got here back in April, and I had a chance to see her on the floor, I immediately thought that she brought a lot of things to the table that would fit into our system quite nicely, and we started quickly calling her our X Factor.